Head high, chest up, and catch that brain, 'cause beauty is my name. What up, beauty gang? Halfrican Beaute here, and today I am partnering with one of my favorite natural hair lines of all time, Gold Series from Pantene. I partnered with them before and I loved their products so much I had to do it again. This time I wanted to spice things up a little bit because if you saw my most recent natural hair video, you know I haven't really been feeling my natural hair lately. I haven't been inspired. I've just been kind of sick of it. But I was recently inspired and my man hasn't seen me in a while, so I want to go ahead and spice things up a little bit, give my hair a little bit of vavoom, something a little different. So I'm going to be bringing you guys a natural hairstyle video today. I know you guys are happy. Y'all been waiting for this for the longest. I've seen y'all in the comment section talking about this, where the video's at, where's the natural hairstyle, yada yada yada. I got y'all. But before I hop into this video, if you're new to Beauty Gang and you ain't never heard of us, sis, we don't know where you've been at, but we are so glad that you found us, because Beauty Gang is hella stupid lit over here. If you don't believe me, go ahead and check the comment section below and you will see multiple Beauty Gang members vouch for the fact that we are hella stupid lit. So after done that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you're notified each time I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this natural hair slayage, sis. So as I mentioned before, this is now my second time partnering with Gold Series from Pantene, not only because their products are bomb, especially their shower products. Another big reason is also because the entire collection was created by Black PhD scientists, y'all. I didn't stutter and you did not just misinterpret what I said. A team full of Black scientists created this entire line. I'm always so excited to partner with them because it's finally a brand that was made for Black hair by Black people. You don't get that a lot. Now, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair. It has been, I want to say, almost 3 weeks. Oh my gosh. Ooh, child. It's crusty, it's dusty, it's matted, it's hella dry. Honestly, when my hair is in this state, there's only a select few products that really help bring my hair back to life. Luckily, Gold Series from Pantene has a specific product. All their products are bomb, but there's a specific product your girl loves. I have used it multiple times when my hair is in a crisis, and honey, today it's in a crisis. I don't think you guys can really see how bad this is. I am acting unusual out here. As you guys Alright, yeah, it's time. It's time. As you guys can see, we have a process ahead of us, so let's hop into this video. Alrighty, y'all, so first thing on the agenda is to obviously drench my hair. It needs it because my hair was on the Sahara Desert side of things. Now, first product I'm going to go in with is the product I was absolutely raving over that my hair loves so much, the Gold Series from Pantene Moisture Boost Conditioner. Oh, and by the way, can I point out how bomb their new packaging is? I am definitely here for the natural hair representation, and I just want to clarify that only the packaging has changed, not the formula, thank God, because I absolutely love this product. It literally melts my tangles, my matting. Like, as you can see, my face is super happy and excited because as soon as I put the product on my hair, I felt the difference. Hence why it's called Moisture Boost Conditioner. Whenever I use this product on my hair, it instantly softens and becomes way easier to detangle due to the bomb formula and the amazing slip it has. So if you're someone who struggles with trying to find a product that makes your job a little bit easier for you during wash day, I highly recommend trying out the Gold Series from Pantene Moisture Boost Conditioner. You will not be disappointed. And just in case you don't believe me, I want to show you guys one more time just how bomb this product is, because literally in seconds, I kid you not, my hair goes from tangled and matted to soft, smooth, and tangle free. So I highly suggest you stop sleeping on that Moisture Boost Conditioner, sis. Hashtag thank me later. Now, after I've completed half of my hair, this is what it is looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera, and now this is what my hair looks like, fully detangled and put into small 2-strand twist sections. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rinse out all that conditioner and then follow up with the Gold Series from Pantene Moisture Boost Shampoo. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm a huge fan of their shower products, not only because of the Moisture Boost Conditioner, but also because of the Moisture Boost Shampoo. Unlike other shampoos that we typically use that tend to be very stripping and drying, this shampoo does the exact opposite. It always keeps my hair free from tangles and matting without stripping it dry. Now, after I've thoroughly washed my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse all that shampoo out and then follow up with the Gold Series from Pantene Repair Mask to help put moisture back into my hair as well as replenish and restore its strength. Alright, so now that my hair is so fresh and so clean, it's time to style it. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I do want to change things up a little bit, give my man a little bit of spice, a little bit something different he ain't used to seeing. The way I envisioned in my head, I've definitely never seen it before. So I'm going to be using some more of the Gold series from Pantene products to help style my hair. A couple products that are actually new to their line, so I'm excited to try those out. And yeah, let's see how this goes. So the goal of this hairstyle is to have something a little spicy and unique in the front and kind of basic in the back. So as you can see, I'm separating my front from my back, trying to make sure I can get some pretty crispy parts, at least as crispy as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and split the front part of my hair in half and drench it with water, as well as detangle it with a wide tooth comb, just to make sure it doesn't tangle back up, because whenever you let your hair loose, if you got type 4 natural hair, you already know what it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on my right hand side and actually split that section in half by creating a diagonal part, because it's going to add to the spiciness of this hairstyle. So after I got the part down, I'm going to go ahead and clip the other section away, then spritz the remaining section with water, go in with a wide tooth comb to detangle it, make sure it's tangle free, and then go in with this new Gold series from Pantene Triple Care Braid Cream. Now this was my first time ever using this product. Again, like I said, it is new to their collection. However, I was super impressed by how moisturizing it was and how much slip it had. Now, because I am going to be braiding this section, I'm going to also use the Gold series from Pantene Edge Tamer, just to make sure them edges are smooth and slick, and then I'm going to go ahead and begin my cornrow. Now because we're keeping things spicy, I did decide to switch things up a little bit. So instead of finishing the cornrow all the way down with a braid, I actually decided to stop the braid a little before the midway point, split it into two, and 2-strand twist it the rest of the way down using a styling cream. Now as for the other section, I'm going to switch things up a little bit, starting with giving myself some tendrils, because I definitely am a tendril girl, and I just wanted to try it out in this hairstyle because I've actually never done it this way before. I do go ahead and 2-strand twist that tendril just to make sure it mimics the rest of my hair when it's time to take everything down. And then for the remaining hair, I am going to go back in with that braid cream again, but I actually am not going to braid this section. I actually just decided to put it into a cute little pigtail and then separate it into like 3 subsections and 2-strand twist those subsections all the way down. Now I did go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other side off camera, and now you're just going to see me do some 2-strand twists in the very back of my hair. I'm just going to have the back of my hair be a basic twist out type of look. Don't plan on going anywhere tonight, so I'm gonna leave my hair like this, let it air dry for a couple of days, and then I'll be back to take it down and show you guys the final results. Definitely have high hopes for how this is gonna turn out. It's very different than what I envisioned, but I'm happy with how it turned out. I will see you guys in a couple of days. Well, to me it'll be a couple of days. To you it'll be in the next clip. I'm gonna go ahead and take down this hairstyle, see what it's looking like. I'm gonna be using the Gold series from Pantene Intense Hydrating Oil to take down the twist, because I want to try to prevent as much frizz as possible, as well as add a little bit of sheen and glisten to my hair. Who doesn't like that? And then I'm going to finish off with their new Gold series Intense Nourishing Spray. Alright y'all, so pretty much all my hair is taken down except my 2 little tendrils. I'm gonna hold off on that. I do feel like for the most part it's dry, but I did feel like little damp areas, very slightly damp areas. Not a big deal, but just to be safe, to make sure this hairstyle comes out as popping as possible, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair just a little bit, just to make sure it's 100% dry. Then we're really gonna take it down and get them curls popping. Feels pretty dry. Now let's go ahead and start separating. Again, gonna put the Intense Hydrating Oil just on my fingertips and then glide my fingers through. I'm not gonna pull apart, and it'll kind of naturally start separating itself. There we go. So this is separated, this is not. Y'all, I can't wait till my hair gets bigger. I feel as though I should come back in like 2-3 days so you guys can see how much bigger the hairstyle got. Because day one hair, y'all know, day one hair is always a little flat. It gives you life, but it don't give you as much life as day 3, day 4 hair. But this is what it's looking like right now. I am pleased with how my hair looks, especially given the fact that this was completely off the dome. I did not know how this was going to turn out. This came out cute. I actually think I'm going to do a half up, half down hairstyle with this today. Oh, I almost forgot. I gotta finish it off with the Gold Series Intense Nourishing Spray. Smells good. Come back with a little OD. Oh God. Well, alright, I'm gonna be coming back to show you guys what my hair is looking like in about 3-4 days. So see you then. Okay, as promised, I am back to show you guys my day 3 hair. It is looking real good. We got some volume going now, but it's still definition there. I did go on my Instagram story a couple days ago and I showed you guys how I stretched out my roots to make my hair a little bit more elongated, get rid of the shrinkage. So just so you're aware, yes, I did use a little bit of heat to stretch my roots. But I just want to show you guys the final results of this hairstyle. I definitely feel like it came out super cute and it's actually very versatile. I want to show you guys a couple of hairstyles that I came up with when I was just playing with my hair in the mirror one day, because I was like, this isn't as basic as I thought it was. So getting into a couple hairstyles real quick. Here's one. Everything is just down. All right, the braid is right there and the 2 puffs, so everything's just down, right? That's one. Second hairstyle is half up, half down. I'm gonna gather the 2 braids on the side and then the 2 pigtails all into one. So this is hairstyle number 2, half up, half down with the little tendrils in the front. Another thing that you could do is make this a bun instead of leaving it out. Just fold one over, kind of make it a messy bun. Boom. Another one you can do is go ahead and put everything up. I'm gonna gather all my hair together. Then another style you can do is obviously make this into a bun. Just flip over the band, make it into a little messy bun. Then the last one, you can go ahead and give yourself some little pigtails. I think I'm gonna do a bun. Yeah. Kind of looking like a little Minnie Mouse. This hairstyle is actually a lot more versatile than I even intended. I have outdone myself, okay? Y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links to all the Pantene products that I used in this video can be found in the description box below. Definitely be sure to check them out. And by the way, all their products can be purchased at Walmart if you did not know, but now you know. That is all I have for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and this new spiced up hairstyle. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you are new. Beauty Gang is clearly lit and here to slay. Not stay, slay. You heard me correctly. And until next time, guys. Bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own it. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.